Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. In today's video we are going to make a chicken-filled muffin. This would be a great starter option for any party. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Begin by taking 250 grams of boneless chicken. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a cup of water. Let it cook for 20 minutes on medium flame, until the chicken is completely cooked. Let the chicken cool down. Then shred the chicken, either by your hands or using a grinder. Here I have used a grinder. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add 2 large onions finely chopped, 3/4 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and 1 long green chili finely chopped. Add half a teaspoon of salt and saute them over low heat. Next add in 1 large chopped tomato. Once all the vegetables are well cooked, add in the shredded chicken and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a tablespoon of chili powder. Add more salt if needed. Give a good mix and turn off the stove. Take half a cup of butter in room temperature. Soften it by beating for a few seconds. Add 4 eggs one at a time. Beat well after each addition. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoon of yeast, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add half a teaspoon of salt. You need 3½ cup of flour and 1½ cup of milk. Add them both alternatively. First add some flour and mix for a few seconds. Then add some milk and mix. Continue this process until all the flour is used. Do not pour all the milk or the flour at once. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. The muffin batter is almost ready now. The final consistency should be like this. Now leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin tray with muffin liners. Pour 1 tablespoon of the batter and spread evenly. Then take 1½ tablespoons of the prepared chicken filling and place it over it and spread. Next, pour 1 tablespoon of the batter again and spread evenly. Make sure to cover every spot. Repeat with the rest. Drop a little tomato sauce on the top of the muffin. With the help of a toothpick, make swirls, or any pattern of your choice. Make sure to clean the toothpick after each muffin. You can get creative here and try your own designs. Now bake them at 175 degrees for 25 minutes. Let the chicken muffins cool down for a few minutes before serving. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.